Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to HPN Tech. Today's new video. Get excited related optional dates emails. Join Telegram Lakers and optional in the subscribe share with email subscription. Joining and 40k in subscriber juniors. Extend Golpa Internship Programming in Turkey 2022. Fully founded it. This application interface in apply Raskin Golba Internship Programming in Turkey 2022. This international internship in Turkey international student with around word fully and founded experience covered in internship in Turkey, young and men and women, speeding in month Turkey, interest Elopec and the times and destination optimization basic Turkey in the most amazing internship Turkey international student not require membership enjoy summary internship in Turkey all partners and can apply without any language test requirement these not apply application fee required under education censor students in grade level MSPPH students all 12 pet and background can to apply this Golba program that's end your Golba internship between May and 15 and September 15 once more donation and student with any accommodated and disaccommodated requirement understanding as graduate in the with Kartik experiment Golba word and details information is can internship program Turkey's digital about in Golba internship and program Turkey's countries in Turkey's scholarship and international scholarship duration and May 15 September 15 2022 final coverage and fully founded eligible all nationality deadline and 10th March 2022 also in apply interest and submit fully founded internship folder and education senior students grade level MCS PhD candidates are following but limit engineering all branches computer science software engineering business financial and e-commerce communicated medicals and schools social science and all but limited education socialization moment etc social and final coverage. This impaired summer internship full accorded mails in city transmission. Wo internship programming fully founded. Benefit of internship interns will be follow optimization, professional work experience, great knowledge in basic subject engineering and business in the accepted electorate hands operated real tricks tracking tasks in related tech project and business manage area getting membership and create supported and section seniors by end and programming excite and papers and first reported requirement especially in TIF and internship interest working tasking so long with quick and quota and more delete and you are went to waste quick and click eligible criteria it is once opening all students all university higher education industry all particular returns must countries after complete internship complete internship in programming. Candidate must in last 2 hours thus COVID-19 vaccination accepted repeat Turkey's maximum 2 doses by 10 in orders scan 1 dose in Bionet. The vaccination certificate upload other section in attachment documents. Dealers Telegram. The last date in apply scan Golba internship programming Turkey in 2022 in 10th March 2022 selected candidate with intervention insights between and internship official and result announced in the how to apply in process and online and apply place and website and click in scan Golba internship programming. The advertisement polls and give below note and optimization book and page in Telegram and groups, calls and programming and get exercise and student for Germany associate directory Jan and UK degrees top up and on no extra travels scholarship international student in Germany 2022 and fully founded details and more than 1k subscribers. The atom poster below and not optionization summary and Australian jobs for graduation. Opening and home interest in international SK Golba internship programming in Turkey 2022 funded working tracking and quick and elected the application entered and scanning internship in Turkey international student around it fully founded at TSC and ended in scan Corby between May 15 and September academic background and eligible not academy computer science and software engineering. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Eligible engineering summary 2022 and May September provided. Eligible majority engineering all branch in business, financial and economic, commission media, language school and social science. Apply before and 20 March in 2022. Pastry.com and TL please file draft and application. Access data and damage all cannot socialize in etc in application will enrich into scanning. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching. Can and someone media background it can apply this like Dr. Worth and please check